Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? Stellar XLM holder, the price prediction is very important to the huge pump is coming soon or not, my brother. But first of all, my friend, I have one request to subscribe our YouTube channel and please press the bell icon for videos notification. Please subscribe. All right, so thank you so much, my friend. In this time, absolutely the price is very cheap, and definitely, my friend, in upcoming time there is 100% chance, my friends, so the price will hit now 0.5 USD dollar. But this is very huge target, everybody said, tell me, my friend. But everybody know this, my friend, also to in upcoming time this is impossible for my friends, so they will pump up, but they can do it now. I hope, my friends, they will easily do this now. But please hold it, if you also, my friend, interested now, do this what I talk you. I hope, my friends, they will easily hit now. Thanks. So my friend, in upcoming time my prediction is going 100% positive now, because my brother, every holder are starting holding now and they are starting investing, so therefore I know to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.